Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2019 Nissan Rogue maintenance light reset. Now we're going to be using these buttons over here: left, right, up, down, OK for enter, and back button. Now we're going to go ahead and turn on the car without starting. Go ahead and click back. Now when you get here, go ahead and click right or left to go find your page. Keep clicking until you get to setting. Okay, when you get here, scroll down to maintenance, enter on it, oil and filter, enter on it, scroll down to reset, enter on that, scroll up to yes, enter on it, and there you go, guys. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.